Hi, this is a screencast of Dracula, Chapter 1. I will start off by describing the development of the atmosphere. So, throughout the text, the atmosphere keeps getting darker and darker. The text also starts off by describing the area. The setting of the landscape is described as somewhat beautiful, but dark while the sun sets, which also exemplifies in the text. Where, on the other hand, on the roadside there are crosses as signs to watch out, like peasants kneeling, and even Jonathan's companions crosses themselves. Throughout the text, the atmosphere alternates between the creepy roadside and the beautiful landscapes, which gives the reader a mysterious atmosphere and a goosebumpy feeling. Afterwards, the atmosphere changes as the evening falls, and in the text describes the beautiful landscape as it grows darker, and how everything around Jonathan and his companions also begin to creep, like the growing twilight and dark mistiness. So the atmosphere overall describes as like, so the darker it grows, the more grows the fear. And next, I will talk about the setting. I've chose the setting as time and as a means of reinforcing theme. The setting of times is used by where the story takes place, at a sunset where the darkness falls over, and it helps create a mystery in the atmosphere. The story uses the dark of the night to describe the thrilling landscape and creepy signs. The setting as time is an important feature for the story simply because the story's atmosphere would be totally different in daytime. Next, I have the setting as a means of reinforcing theme. The setting as a means of reinforcing theme is used in the story by the setting of time and the mysterious atmosphere. The setting is also used in the story when some of the peasants are kneeling and the crosses, which sets the story in a religious way. The setting reinforces and clarifies the theme of the story by using the physical setting and somewhat religious. Next, I have foreshadowing. So during the text, the writer uses a lot of signs to build up the excitement and hints to something bad is going to happen. The writer also describes the landscape and of the falling darkness to build up the tension of the story. Also, again, with the crosses and with the landscape, the dark growing clouds, and oppressive sense of thunder. The effect of the shattering, have on the reader is to build up attention, and makes the story more exciting. Yes, and the end.